So now let's we would like to go for a first topic is like uh, introduction to a Burp Suite. So uh, what is a Burp Suite? Burp Suite is a powerful for a web vulnerability scanner and penetration testing tool developed by a PortSwigger. It's widely used by a security professionals for web application security testing and intercepting and modifying a traffic and finding vulnerabilities like access, SQLite, SSRF, and etc. things. There are like a two versions of a website. One is like community version, another one is a professional version. So community version is best, but our professional edition is a fully automation and scanning and advanced features you can get it here. That also you can get that if you can pay, but you just need to use your targeted domain like xyz.com uh, at the rate, like you can mention like info at the rate xyz.com. For that only a professional emails they can provide you only for a professional edition. So now, first we would like to learn the basics of Burp Suite. Okay, so first of all, we would like to know. We would like to know here as we would like to put here as a proxy. What is a proxy? It can intercept HTTP and HTTP request. And number two is a target. This maps the application structure. Then number three is repeater. So it can modify and reset a individual HTTP request. Okay. Number four, intruder. So it automates the customized attacks like a brute force or phishing. Then let's number five is decoder. It can encode or decode the strings like base64, URL, and much more things. Number six is composer. It compare a request or response also. Number seven is logger. Sees all the traffic passing through a Burp Suite. Number eight is scan. So this scan you can get only with a professional edition. You won't get a community edition. Uh, Community edition is not possible. So now how this Burp Suite can work? So the Burp Suite can work as a man in the middle between your browser and the server. So we would like to try to do some a realistic practical. So this is just only for introduction. Then later we would like to go a further full. So you already know how to install the Kali Linux and everything. So you can install all the Kali Linux by yourself. Now let it come here. Now I can enter my user ID and password. That's it here. Now I can make it as a little bit big. Now let me I just close this up. Let me close. Now let you just need to open the Burp Suite. Just so you can see here I have a community edition. Burp Suite a community edition. So let's just click on OK. Now this is a community version. When you take a professional version, you can get here as a violet color. So that is a professional version, and don't forge their cracked version. So that will not going to be work and not going to be suitable for you for the cracked version. So don't try to install any type of cracked version. So that may be you have a harmful to your PC. So don't run anything in your main PC. Now, I have told here, like, wait, what is this here? Let's, I would like to try to bring here. Now, we can look here. First is a proxy. A proxy is for, it can intercept the HTTP and HTTPS request that a target. It can map the application structure and a repeater. This repeater modify and resend individual HTTP requests and intruder. Automate the customized attacks like brute force or fuzzing. Then uh, here we would like to look here as this is extensions, this is a decoder. So it can encode or decode the strings with a base 64 or URL or XYZ things. And this is a comparer. So I write here composer, it's wrong. It can request and response here. And this is a logger, sees all the traffic passing through the Burp Suite. Then here you didn't get because a scans. So I have written here a wrong as comparer. Comparer. That's it. Now we would like to try to open the now. We would like to look here at target. We would like to open the browser. Set proxy. In the proxy, we would like to click here. Intercept, HTTP history, WebSocket history, match and replace. You can click on the proxy settings there, which is automatically here. We would like to try to visit this targeted website. Now, let's open here 127.0.0.1 to 8080. We would like to download Burp Suite a community edition CA certificate. Once you download the professional edition, you can also do the same thing. Okay, but there is a additional features, only the scanner that will automatically scan the targeted website to find the bugs. So you need to do it manually to understand what is what. Now we would like to open the settings. Now you just type here as in the settings here as view a certificates. Now try to import the certificate CA CRT. Click on open. You just click on trust and trust the CA certificate and click on OK. Then click on OK. That's it. You have done here a successfully. Now your next target is uh, we have uploaded our CS certificate. So for a Burp Suite, we would like to download also a Foxy proxy. It's mandatory for a Firefox. I have already here. Now I would like to go to here as options. Now you can click on proxies. So I would like to delete this. I would like to click on delete this. Now I would like to click on add here. Now you would like to choose whichever you like here. You just put here as a Burp add item, and you just need to look here exactly in the settings 127.0.0.1. Now let's just put here as 127.0.0.1 8080. Now click on save. Now this is done. Now once you have look here your Burp Suite, where you have look here, we have got here as a Burp Suite. Now just disable this. This is done. So you have added here a Burp Suite successfully. Now we would like to try here a something. Now we would like to do a somewhat testing here. We would like to do here a somewhat testing. Now I would like to close this, and this I would like to open here a new tab, and here also a new tab. Then I would like to click on a settings. Let me just close this. a test php dot web.com. Now, I would like to try to here as a login. Now, I would like to go here as interception is on. Now, I would like to switch here also a Burp Suite on. Let me disable this. Now, I just type here as a test test. Yeah, it's came. Now, you can see here the proxy is requested the user info.php and hostname a test php.web, and you can look here user agent with the Mozilla 5.0 Linux everything. This is great. Now content length username is test and password is test. Now if you try to forward this one, it will try to automatically log in here. That's it here. Now you didn't get anything else. Now you can look here http history. You can get here request and response. This you need to send to a repeater tab that I can show you here also. You can look here all the information. Once you click in the render, that the render image will be displayed here. Exactly. You can look here the same. Aconetics occurred John Smith 123456782300900 where you can look here exact the client and server uh, between a bridge. So everything is clear here. That's it here. Now let's come back here. Now you try to a where I have requested again test.php. It was get again. I think I didn't get anything else. Now I try to go to here as a artist. Now I would like to go to here. I would like to try to a forward. Now again I try to forward. Try to forward this. Now you would like to try to go to any other one where I have got it here. Uh, let's we would like to go here as this is artist.php. Now I would like to try to this one in the repeater place where I would like to try to send. I have got here. You can look here as a response. So you just need to manipulate here. You have got it here as artist1. You can try here as artist2. You can look here a BLAD3 where you can identify automatically without your browser. You can try here as a 3. Now I can show you here as a artist. Artist is artist number 1. When you try as artist 2, you have got it here. Now artist 3, you have got it here as something. That's it here. Now we would like to try some other thing. Now we have also done a proxies. This will intercept HTTP and HTTPS, and we have done with the repeater, and we would like to do it as intruder. We would like to try this intruder later. Then I would like to go to here as I would like to browse the categories. Now I would like to forward this. Now let me go back here. A products.php. Now I would like to forward this. Now let's here cat.1. Let's we would like to try here show.php, profile pictures file, no, let, I would like to try here, one more, let's, I can forward this, yes, here, a I would like to set to a repeater in the repeater tag. So here in the fourth place, you can try to replace as one. Try to look here. Then you can look here as a render. Now you can look the each and every profile. You can look here 2, 3, where you can identify and this is leaking the data here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is a multiple data you are accessing automatically. Where you can look here 200 okay, but this render didn't get yet. That's it. So in the intruder place, now let's we would like to try to I would like to try to this one as a logout as a test container proxy. This one I would like to do forward. I have logout this one. Now you have been logged out. Okay. Now let's come back here. Now again, let's come back here. This is a login.php. Let me just forward. Username is test. Password is test. Now we try to a login here. Now we would like to look here. I try to set this one an intruder. No, still this one didn't get at proper. Now I can disable this one for some time. Now close this and this. And this one. Okay, I can start from beginning for intruder. I would like to open here a Burp Suite again. Let's try this. Now, let's I would like to try this as a disable. Then let's come to the Burp Suite here. Just type it as a test. Now come back here. Click on proxy. Reception is on. Then try to a login where I have got this one here. Now send an intruder. In the intruder, you just need to add here a payload. If you don't know uh, where to add this one, let's we just try to put here as a auto. This is put here. Now once you have put this one, let's uh, where is this? You just need to load a payload list from where you need to have the word list to attack here the usernames and passwords here. Now for that you just need to try here as go to here as home directory as where is this user share. Let's come back. What web word list. Now you try to foods otherwise a directory buster for a Wi-Fi, Metasploit, Fuzzing, John the list, Nmap list, SQL list, Wi-Fi list. You can try what else you like. Like let me, I can show you here as uh, rocky.txt. So this is a lengthy thing, okay, to get here. Payload processing. You want to enable this one, a payload processing, you just try to add here. So this is a lengthy time process to attack. So you just need to prepare a manually for your work. That's it. So this is for a basic introduction about bug bounty hunting. So this may take, I'm not going to do here as intruder because it may take a lengthy time process. Now we have done a repeater also. Once you have done all the requesters is come to here in the collaborator. Then we would like to look here as sequencer. Select a live capture request. Like in this case, you can try to request anything else. And here let you can decode as a test equal to test. I would like to write here as pentest club bug bounty live hacking labs. Now this one I would like to hexadecimal. Okay, pentester club bug bounty live hacking labs. So this is with the 5065 this and all. Now encode as URL. This is with as a URL. Now let's I would like to try here as encode as a HTML. This is with a HTML text format. Encode as base64. This is a base64. If you can decode, you can get this message. What else I have written here? So in Buckbound, this Burp Suite also we can get here. This is ASCII text. Now let's we would like to try here as hexadecimal. It's written octal is also the same. In binary, this is a binary, but we didn't get anything else. I can put here as a binary. No. Let's now let's ggip. Now if you can decode this ggip, we can find this targeted message from this bug code. That's it. Here compare. Here you can get what else you have requested, that one you can load here. Logger, organizer. So you try to find any type of extensions, what else you like. You can add here your extension. So you just click on add a Java extensions for Burp Suite. You can try to select here and upload it. So I don't have anything else right now. In the target scope, you just try to add your target here. Example.com. I would like to write here as uh, uh, bugcrowd, bugcrowd.com. Now click on OK. This was added. No, we don't want to go here. This is a scope. You can also look here. Like issues is identified. OS command injections. So this will also work very clear. SQL injection, ASP.NET, file path traversal, every useful information and their remediation we can get here in this box. That's it. So we have completed here just introduction about a Burp Suite. Then later we would like to go for a information gathering.